Good morning, guys. It's Anita from Flower Folk Farm, and it is a super wet day here. And of course, what else are we going to do but work? Today, we are applying Supersoil to the flower field. Simply add to water and apply using a crop sprayer, drench, or even a watering can. And we're mixing the Supersoil into that. Then we're going to be applying it over the whole plant so that it gets a foliar drench as well as going straight into the soil. Now, even though this is really rubbish weather, this is actually going to be really fantastic for making sure that it soaks down into the soil. So we've had such dry conditions here that this is actually the best time to do it. It's been 4 weeks since I made the video with Hugo when we applied the Supersoil to our flower field. And I just wanted to show you the incredible results we have had in 4 weeks. I am absolutely blown away by the results so far in 4 weeks to get this. So a huge thank you to Supersoil.